Hi, I'm Enel and this is ChangeSafe. ChangeSafe is a product of Luca. So the main problem is people can change data in their code, but all the affected parties fail to understand how the code actually works back and what it affects from others. So you make a change, you don't know who it affects, and it's just a mess for everyone. So ChangeSafe is a part of Luca, and the main aim is for people to see what a data change affects, like what data changes affect other people downstream. So we have a deterministic demo here where we have a particular type of data here. Let's say the analytic customer. So we tracing the impact it has. We have a 100 last result which is critical. So we have direct customers of 6 customers that will be affected by this particular change, which is the analytical customer change in the code. So all of them will be affected, and there's nothing to tell each there's nothing to tell you that your code is going to affect this your customers, but now with ChangeSafe you can actually know what's happening. So we have this here where you can see where the dependencies converge for the analytical customers. You can see support, the finance, revenue dashboard, and everyone else, it's which is 6 known consumers that it affects. And as you can see from here, you can see what downstream behaviors might affect others, which are known as high, and medium. And these are very common terminologies that affect most people. And right here, you can pressure test a deterministic verdict we had. And as you can see, you can just change a little bit of thing, and you can analyze the impact it has on the code. You can see the critical risk and how it affects each and every consumer of that particular schema code. And here we have the GitHub repo, and you can see from here, you can see that Luca is our main product, but ChangeSafe is the first step into what Luca is building. And we are building aside a very good notification system, not necessarily notification, but like a system where after the code change we could actually notify all those consumers affected by the code change, so they could actually change what's supposed to be done in their code and get everything right. So we integrated DataHub. We are using the MPC, and you could see our safety models here, and you could actually see the roadmap where we can validate evidence in the next product and the architecture of the entire state. Thank you.